Hey everybody, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the canister purge valve on this 2016 Chevy Traverse. The check engine light came on. I went to my local auto parts store, had them check it out for free, and they said, it's the canister purge valve. And I'm like, that's exactly what I thought it was. I mean, that was my first guess. Okay, I'm joking. I have no idea what that is, but we're going to change it anyway. And I think this is going to be the easiest change I've ever done. Watch the whole video and I will show you how much money you will save by doing this yourself. Let's get to work. The canister purge valve is found underneath this cover here. And what is a canister purge valve, you ask? Well, it regulates the flow of stored fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the intake manifold, and it also prevents, I didn't know what it did. It has to do with fuel efficiency and, kind of recycling the fuel. All I know is it's got to come out and we got to put a new one on. We got to get this thing out of the way. So the first thing we're going to do is take off the oil cap, twist it counterclockwise, pull it off. Try not to get this part dirty. Then we're just going to grab this underneath here and pull up. Pops right off. This is the canister purge valve. That's what we have to replace. So we're going to push this green button in, pull this back. There you go. Stick it over here and get it out of the way. And this plug right here has to come off as well. You're going to have to put a little, oh no, you can just pry it back. Can you see that? You got to pry this bar right here back. And once you do that, you should be able to unplug this part. There we go. You see that bolt right there? That's what's holding the purge valve on. So we're going to use a number 10 size metric socket. There we go. We're just going to back that off. Both of these are disconnected. The bolt's all the way out. Then just give this a good pull and it slides right out. Let's go get the new one and we'll put it on. Here's our brand new purge valve. Bought this online. Always make sure it fits your vehicle if you're doing that. If you're not going to an auto parts store, which is fine. It's about $25, and that's not bad. I think the auto parts store wanted $65 for it. I'm just tightening this bolt back here with my hand right now, and we're going to get the socket and finish it the rest of the way. We'll go ahead and plug these wires, and well, we'll wait for that one because we're going to do this. But we'll put it all together and then make sure it works. That's tight. Put this on till it snaps. Make sure it's on good. Make sure this is connected. That's not going anywhere. We'll put the cover back on and that should do it. Don't forget to put your oil cap back on. That's very important. You don't want to drive around without that thing on. Let's go see how much money we save doing this ourselves. The average cost of taking your car somewhere and having somebody change your canister purge valve is $300. The part cost me $25. That's all I've spent. $25 in about 10 minutes of my time. That's a savings of $275. You don't have to take your car anywhere. You can do it yourself. You can order the part online and you can save yourself a lot of time and money and probably some frustration. Let's get back to the car. All you got to do is push on this tap on it. It'll snap into place. We've got the oil cap back on, and hopefully our check engine light is off. But that, my friends, looks like another job well done. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me any comments if you got them, and I will do my best to answer any questions. I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.